Good day, class. This is Sir Emilio Titare Jr. and welcome to our mathematics class. So, today's lesson, we have to prove the Rational Roots Theorem. And for our day 34 objective, we have to determine the list of possible rational zeros or roots of a given polynomial equation using the Rational Roots Theorem. So first, let us define rational root theorem. Given a polynomial a sub n, x raised to n plus a sub n minus 1, x raised to n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2, x raised to n minus 2 plus and so on until a sub 1x plus a sub 0. The possible rational roots are of the form p over q, where p is the set of all factors of a sub 0 or the constant term, and q is the set of all factors of a sub n. So, saan natin makikita si p? Ang p natin ay makikita natin dito. Ang p is factor or set ng factors ng ating constant term, while q is the set of all factors of a sub n. So, para mahanap natin yung listahan or yung mga possible roots ng ating polynomial, ang gagawin po natin is to rewrite it in this form, yung mga factors ng ating p and q in p over q form. Para mas maintindihan natin, let's have an example. Determine all the possible rational roots of 3x raised to the 5th power minus x squared plus 1. So, for this one, ang ating p is the constant term and ating q naman is the coefficient of the leading term. Paano natin malaman ang leading term? Depende sa may pinakamalaking exponent. So, ang p natin is 1 at ang q natin is 3. Pag ginawa natin fraction form, magiging positive or negative 1 over positive negative 3. And ang susunod natin gagawin, kukunin natin yung factors ng numerator at denominator natin. Ang numerator natin, positive negative 1 lang ang kanyang factors, while our denominator, ang kanyang factors ay positive negative 3 and positive negative 1. So, ang next natin gagawin, i-pair natin itong 1 sa 3 at yung 1 sa 1. So, positive or negative 1 over positive or negative 3 is equal to positive or negative 1 over positive negative 3, while 1 divided by 1 will be equal to positive or negative 1, kaya 1 lang to. So, ibig sabihin, ang set or ang possible roots natin ng ating polynomial expression na ito ay ito pong set ng ating p over q. Positive or negative 1 over positive or negative 3 and positive negative 1. So, next, example number 2. Again, ang ginagawa po natin dito, ililista lang natin yung mga posibleng maging roots nila. So, yun po yung sinasabi ng rational root theorem. Kukunin mo lang yung kanilang ratio ng p at q. So, magiging p over q. Dito naman po, ang p natin or ang ating polynomial expression is 2x raised to the 5th power plus 7x raised to the 4th power plus 8. Ang p natin is 8 at ang ating q naman ay 2. So, kapag ginawa natin yung fraction form, p over q, magiging positive or negative 8 over positive or negative 2. Gagawin po natin next is to get the factors of p and q. So, ang p and q natin, ang factors, or ang p natin, ang factors niya ay 1, 2, 4, 8. Positive, negative values of 1, 2, 4, 8. So, kaya siya factor kasi kapag dinivide mo ang 8 sa mga number na to, walang magiging remainder. Ganun din po dito sa ating denominator. So, ang factors yun is positive, negative 1, positive, negative 2. Next, ang susunod natin gagawin dyan, i-prepare natin lahat ng nasa taas, isa-isa, dito sa baba, sa dalawang nasa baba. So, ito yon, lahat natin, isa-isa natin i-prepare to sa positive, negative 1, then prepare din natin tong set na to sa positive, negative 2. So, 1 divided by 1 or 1 over 1 is positive, negative 1. Dun po ito nanggaling. Next, 2 over 1 is positive or negative 2. 4 over 1 is positive negative 4. 8 over 1 is positive negative 8. Next, dahil tapos na tayong ipares tong lahat ng factors ng 8 sa positive negative 1, punta naman tayo sa positive negative 2. So, magiging 1 over 2, which is positive or negative 1 over positive or negative 2. Next, 2 over 2 will be equal to 1. So, positive or negative 1 dahil kapag nireduce mo ang 2 over 2, magiging 1. May 1 na po tayo dito. So, hindi na natin isusulat ulit yon. Next, 4 over 2 will be equal to 2. May 2 na po tayo nakasulat dito. So, hindi na din natin isusulat yon. Next, 8 over 2 is equal to 4. May 4 na, given na. So, hindi na natin yun isusulat. Therefore, ang set ng possible values ng ating rational roots ay ito po, positive negative 1, positive negative 2, positive negative 4, positive negative 8, and positive negative 1 over positive negative 2. Now, punta tayo dito sa ating example number 3 kung saan ang given natin ay 12x to the 5th power minus 5x to the 4th power minus 2x raised to 3 minus x squared plus 6. Oo nga pala, ilan ang base sa fundamental theorem of algebra, ilan ang roots ng ating expression na to? Very good, 5. Kasi 5 ang pinakamataas, kaya 5 din ang kanyang number of roots. So, ang value ng p natin dito is 6. Ang ating q naman ay 12. Kapag ginawa natin fraction yan, 6 over 12. At ang factors ng 6 ay, ito po, 1, 2, 3, 6. Samantala, ang factors naman ng positive negative 12 is 1, 2, 3, 6, and 12. Okay, so ang next natin gagawin dyan, ipapares natin lahat to ng numerator natin isa-isa dito po sa ating denominator. So, starting with 1 over 1 is 1, 2 over 1 is 2, 3 over 1 is 3, 6 over 1 is 6. So, tapos na tayo sa 1. Ngayon, ipares naman natin tong mga to sa 2. 1 over 2 is positive negative 1 over positive negative 2. 2 over 2 is simply 1. So, eto na po yun. Hindi na natin susulat ulit. Next, 3 over 2 is this one. 3 over 2. Wala na po siyang lowest term. Next is 6 over 2. 6 divided by 2 will just simply be 3. So, eto na po yun, nakasulat na, hindi na natin isusulat. Tapos na tayo sa 1, tapos na tayo sa 2, punta tayo sa 3. 1 over 3 is positive negative 1 over positive negative 3. Next, 2 over 3 is positive or negative 2 over positive negative 3. Next, 3 over 3 is simply just 1. Next, 6 over 3 is 2. So, hindi na natin isulat yung dalawang yun kasi nandito na po yun. Tapos na tayo sa 3, punta na tayo sa 6. 1 over 6 is 1 over 6. Positive negative 1 over positive negative 6. Next, 2 over 6 is ang simplest form or lowest term ng 2 over 6 ay 1/3. May 1/3 na po tayo dito. So, skip na natin yon. Next, 3 over 6, ang lowest term is 1/2. Kaya, di na natin sulat. Next is 6 over 6, lowest term is 1. Ngayon, tapos na tayo sa 6, punta na tayo sa 12. 1 over 12 is 1 over 12. 2 over 12, kapag ni-lowest term natin, or kinuha natin, ni-reduce natin in lowest term, maging 1 over 6. Even na po. Next, 3 over 12 is 1/4. And last, 6 over 12 is 1/2. Kaya, therefore, ito lang po. Tapos na tayo sa 1, 2, 3, 6, 12. Ipares dito sa 1, 2, 3, 6. So, ito na po yung possible set ng roots natin. Some of it is our fraction. So, yan po ang pag-determine ng possible roots. Next meeting natin, matututunan naman natin kung paano gamitin itong mga possible roots na to para ma-identify natin kung ano talaga yung totoong roots dyan. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something today. That would be all for today. Goodbye, class!